4 things that I would never give my dogs as a UK registered vet nurse. Number 1 is rawhide. Rawhide can pose as a choking risk, and it can also cause gastrointestinal blockages because it is not easily digested. It can also be treated with some potential toxic chemicals in the manufacturing process. There are some rawhide manufacturers that won't use toxic chemicals. However, I just think it's safer to avoid rawhide altogether. There are definitely some safer alternatives out there. Number 2 is antlers. Whilst they are less likely to splinter compared to bones, they can still splinter and they can chip off into quite small sharp pieces, and I have seen dogs with quite a lot of trauma to their gums and their mouth from chewing on antlers, and they're also so hard that dogs risk breaking their teeth whilst chewing them. So whilst a lot of people think antlers are good for cleaning your dog's teeth, if your dog is a chomper and not a gnawer, it's more likely going to break their teeth, and that will obviously lead to a lot of pain and large vet bills for you to have that broken tooth removed. So antlers are a no from me. Number 3 is horns. Very similarly to antlers, they do sort of splinter and chip on the edges into very, very sharp pieces that again cause quite a lot of trauma to your dog's mouth and gums, and it can really scratch on the way down. If enough of it is ingested, it can cause gastrointestinal blockages, and again, they are so hard that your dog risks breaking their teeth whilst chewing on them. So again, I just think there are safe alternatives out there, so horns are a no from me. And lastly, I feel like there's a theme here, yak chews. Again, they are too hard. As a general rule of thumb, if you cannot indent an object with your fingernail, it is too hard and it is likely going to break your dog's teeth. So antlers, horns, yak chews, they are all too hard for your dogs to chew on. So all 3 of these plus rawhide are a big no from me. If you are looking for suggestions on something that is safe for your dog to chew on, then my first piece of advice would be to speak to your vet and see what they recommend. Secondly is go for something that is durable but a little bit more flexible, so things maybe like the Kong toys that you can stuff with goodies, and it also works as great mental enrichment. And if you are particularly looking for chews that are edible, then look for chews that have a VOHC, that is a Veterinary Oral Health Council seal of approval or acceptance, that these products have basically undergone some sort of clinical testing and have proven that they are beneficial to your dog's dental health.